Alright, we are going to do a little pug, and I have a little black fondant. You can use a little black jelly bean or M&M or whatnot. And I just cut a little oval for his ears, and I'm just going to spread it out a little bit. A circle probably would have been fine. Thin it out a bit, and I'm just going to curl the top of it just like that. And then we have his tongue already made. When you do his tongue, again, this is out of Starburst, you want to make sure that you do a line underneath because his tongue sticks up. A lot of dogs, they go down. This one's going to go up. So you need to have it underneath. It makes it a little more realistic looking. Okay, so let's go ahead and put these on our cupcake. We have a white cupcake here already frosted. And we're going to start with a dark brown for his face. They have like kind of this funny grin. So what I would do is start underneath, kind of like a smile, you know, kind of like this. I have a tip 5. You can use a smaller tip if you like. So funny kind of grin just to start with, and then their eyes come up. And this sort of fill it in. Okay, then next what I would do is take the same color. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to add a lot of stuff over it. I have like a tip 2 and just outline the mouth area. It may be just a little crease right here. Before I add his teeth, I'm going to just add his little mouth, or excuse me, his little tongue in there. Maybe off to the side a bit. Have a little tip 2. They just kind of have missing teeth or looking funny, so we can leave them like that, kind of all over the place. Next, I'm going to put his little nose on. Black buttercream. And I'm going to use, we use the variegated white and gray for the other doggies. We're going to use that for his forehead. Just one right down the center. One over each brow. One on each side. And next, our little ears. And there we have our little pug.